Hello there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we have something essential for anyone who relies on their printer. The Brother Printer Genuine 3-pack high-yield color ink cartridges. If you're looking to elevate your printing game, stick around because we're about to explore everything you need to know. And, of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Now, let's get into it. Behold, the Brother Genuine 3-pack high-yield color ink cartridges. Your ticket to high-quality, vibrant prints. This package includes not one, not two, but 3 cartridges: cyan, magenta, and yellow. Let's dive deeper into what makes these cartridges stand out. First off, these cartridges offer excellent inkjet print quality that you can consistently rely on. Each cartridge can yield up to 400 pages. That's a whole lot of colorful, vivid prints you can create without worrying about running out of ink. These Brother Genuine ink cartridges are intelligently engineered to work seamlessly with your Brother inkjet printer. This integration ensures optimal performance and consistent, high-quality output every time you hit that print button. Wondering if these cartridges will work with your printer? Well, you're in luck. They are compatible with BrotherWorks Smart Series inkjet all-in-one printers. So, chances are, they're a perfect fit for your setup. Now, let's talk about page yields. Each cartridge can churn out up to 400 pages, and that's in accordance with ISO/IEC 24711 standards. That means you can print confidently without constantly checking your ink levels. But what sets these cartridges apart is the precise engineering behind them. Brother Genuine ink and toner are designed to ensure reliable operation and protect your Brother printer while delivering consistent, high-quality results. These cartridges are part of an integrated printing system that's meant to work seamlessly with Brother printers. Plus, there are various page yield options, including super high yield and ultra high yield, to cater to your specific needs. Using non-genuine ink and toner cartridges can lead to reduced page yields, inferior print quality, and potential issues with your printer. Protect your printer investment by sticking with Brother Genuine ink and toner cartridges. So, there you have it, the Brother Printer Genuine Pack high-yield color ink cartridges. They're reliable, vibrant, and engineered for your Brother inkjet printer. With up to 400 pages of rich, vivid prints per cartridge, you'll be all set for your printing needs. If you're tired of subpar prints and want to experience the best your printer has to offer, give these Brother Genuine ink cartridges a shot. Check them out. And if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow printer enthusiasts, and drop your comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, keep those printers humming.